Alright, good morning. My name is Bejidolu Afemi David, and this morning we want to learn how to make a study area map. To make a study area map, we need a shapefile. Alright, so I already have a shapefiles of Nigeria and all of the states in Nigeria, so I'm going to import them using the add data tool. So I press on add data. Because my shapefile or the folder that contains the shapefile has already been I'm connected to this place, so that is why it is showing like this. So we can connect any folder that we often use to this Arcmap environment, so that anytime we want to use it, it will be very easy for us to locate. So let's say I press on connect folder, then let me select this particular folder, MOOC. Okay, then I press add. So MOOC has already been added. So this is MOOC, but the folder I want to work on this morning is on this Nigeria admin. So I'll click on it. Then I want to use this one. This Nigeria admin one has all the states in Nigeria, while the Nigeria admin 2 has all the local governments in Nigeria. So I want to work on states. So I click on it and press add. So it is not showing. I zoom to layer, so I can use my hand to pan it to carry it like this. So let's learn how to label, to give names to all the states. So I press on, or I right click on Nigeria admin and press on label features. It's showing Nigeria, which is not supposed to be. So what we can use to, the way we can change it is to right click on this again, come to properties, then under properties we come to label and change it to name 1, which is okay. Alright, let's say I want to make this is the shapefile of Nigeria, say country. Okay, if I want to make if Nigeria is my study area, I can use this. But since there are other states inside Nigeria, I will decide to take another state. So for instance, I'm going to take this Ekiti state. So I can select Ekiti, can select features by lasso and press on Ekiti, or I can right click on it and select attribute table. So I will highlight Ekiti. Then close. So I've highlighted Ekiti. Then on it, I right click and export data. So I'll choose a folder whereby I want my export to be. I want it to be on a folder in Ekiti on my desktop. So I press OK. So do you want to add the exported map as a layer? You press yes. So I don't need Nigeria again, so I'm going to, let me toggle it off. So I can change the name. You click twice and write Ekiti. Okay, so it is more, so right click on it and zoom to layer. So this is the map of Ekiti. Alright, so where we do the embellishment or to design everything inside is in the layout view. This particular environment is the data view. So to change it, you come to this place and press layout view. So if it is not here, or if you cannot see it down there, you can come to this view and click on layout view, or if I want to go back, come to view, press on data view. So since I want to use the layout view, I'll come to view and press on layout view. So this map is in portrait. I don't want it to be in portrait, I want it to be in landscape. So outside, I will right click. Outside this frame, I will right click and come to page setup. So I'm going to put it to landscape and press OK. So it is outside the frame, so I need to bring it inside. It should not be outside the frame. So I've brought it inside. It's within the frame, so I'll right click, press full extent. So now this is a map of Ekiti State. We can change the color. If you press on this, you can put it on white. The hollow, it will not have any color, like this. Okay, then we can also label. We can label it Nigeria, but I don't want it to show Nigeria. Let me right click, properties, just like we did earlier on. Then we give it to name 1. Name 1. Okay, so this is Ekiti. So the next thing I want to do now, I can actually increase the width of the boundary. So you right click on Ekiti State, or sorry, you click on this box, you come to the outline width, you increase it. Okay, then we can change the boundary color or the outline color to red. Press OK. So this is map of Ekiti State. Now we can add some things to make it look fine. We can add the north arrow, so we do that by pressing on insert. We press on north arrow. I like using this one, so I press OK. So I want to take it to the right hand, so I click on it, then I drag it to this place and enlarge it. And then the next thing is to put the scale bar, come to insert again, scale bar. So I select the one I like, so let's use this one. So after selecting it, you click on properties. Because it is in miles, I want to change it to kilometer, so I press kilometer, press OK, then OK. So it's like this. So this scale is telling us that if you put your ruler, you see what it's telling, like 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometer. Okay, so the next thing is to put our legend. So you come to insert again, click on legend, write Ekiti, press next, finish. So this is Ekiti. So we can change the name here by clicking twice, write Ekiti. Okay, all right. The next thing is to, this one looks like more or less like a yam, so we want to determine the boundary. So let's see. We can see that in Ekiti, this side is Osun State, Kwara State, Kogi State. So we can do that. We can put we can insert text to the environment to show the states that are bound, that shares boundary with Ekiti State. So we can do that by pressing on insert, press on text. So click on your text twice, or you just write Osun State, Osun State. So the Osun State is in this place. So we can click on this twice to change the way it looks. I'll come to change symbols. I want Times New Roman. Then let the size be around 12 and make it bold. Press OK and press OK. So but I don't like the way it is. That's not the way Osun State is standing or the orientation, so I have to change or rotate it. So I press on this rotate, then press like this, rotate it till, yeah, that's Osun State. Then we also have Kwara State in the northern side. So we click on insert again, insert text. So we write Kwara State. Okay, so I will carry it to this place, then click on it twice, then come to change symbols, press Times New Roman. We use 12, then we made it bold. Okay, okay, so that is Kwara State. Then this particular place is that's Ondo State and Kogi State. So here is Kogi State, here is Ondo, and here is Ondo. So we can write, click on insert text again. So I delete, write Kogi State. Okay, so I'll carry it, click on it, and take it to this place. So let's right click twice, come to change symbols, come to Times New Roman, change it to 12, press bold. Okay, okay, but I don't like the way it is standing. I need to give it some kind of orientation, so I press on this rotate, then let me rotate it a little bit like this. So that is Kogi State. Kogi State. Now we have Ondo State remaining, so you click on it, insert text again, text Ondo State. So click on it twice, come to change symbol, then Times New Roman, press T, Times New Roman, I want 12, bold. Okay, okay, okay. So remaining this place, we can also duplicate this. We can duplicate it. Okay, copy, paste. So let me rotate this one like this. Let's come back to this and drop the two. So that is Ondo State. So those are the states that surrounds Ekiti State. So the next thing I want to do is to add the coordinates in case someone else might need to reference it in the future. So you click on this place and right click, press on properties. So you press on this grid, come to this grid, press new, use this graphical, press next. Okay, so here, because Ekiti State is a very small area, so let's put this 0 and let's use every 10 minutes, or we can use every 20 minutes, then every 20 minutes. So if it is like a place like Nigeria, we can use every 33 degree for the interval. So but it is Ekiti State, it's a very small place, so we use every 20 minutes. Press next. Okay, let's press OK and see what we have done. So that is the coordinate of Ekiti State. So but this is not still looking fine. There are still some things we can do. So let's right click on this again properties. So let's come to properties. I don't want to see the lines, so you come to under these lines, you press do not show line of text. Okay, let's come to label. I don't like let's use area, and let's use something like 10 bold. Okay, so it is showing now. So let us, I don't want the to be outside. I don't want to be outside the frame. Okay, that's the map of Ekiti State showing the coordinate. Okay, so with this we have produced a map of Ekiti State and the state that shares boundary with them. Alright, so in the future these coordinates can be used to make a georeferencing or to make the prototype of this map. Alright, we can also still add our neat line. Okay, so it is added. Now press OK. So our study area map is done. Then we can now click on File, Export Map. So we export it as PNG. So I change the name to AKT. So the map is saving inside on my desktop. Let's use AKT. Let's press save. So hello everyone, that's how to make a study area map from our shapefile. So let's see what we have made. Then this is Ekiti. This is the map that we made. Tada! So this is the map of Ekiti State. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit on the like button or you subscribe.